DIY Craft Club here, and we're going to give you a closer look at the Ninja BL770 kitchen system. First, we'll take a look at the crushing picture. So whenever you need to make a whole batch of smoothies or milkshakes, this is going to get everything nice and smooth for you. And for crushed ice, you can use one of the low settings to get either a nice crushed ice for drinks, or even turn ice into snow if you're going to make snow cones for the kids. And this is what you would use to make smooth soups as well. And a tip on how to use the crushing picture is to first hit the pulse button a few times to get everything going, and then just go ahead and use the 1, 2, or 3rd setting. This set comes with 2 16-ounce cups with lids. So if you like to make your own smoothies on the go, you're definitely going to use these because you can make your smoothies and vegetable drinks right in the cups, which is also helpful if your kids or partner likes different ingredients, then they can just make exactly how they like it in their own cup. And you're going to be able to turn frozen fruit or vegetables into a creamy texture. It has 4 different speeds for that. So you can decide if you want a little bit chunky if you're making salsa, or if you want a really smooth consistency, say if you're making like a milkshake or something like that. Now the food processor, this is going to hold up to about 8 cups. So it's really great for a single batch of cookie dough. So if you're thinking that you just want to make a quick batch of cookies, then you might like this a lot. And then this attachment will also make pizza dough too. So if you like to make your own pizza from scratch, then this is going to mix all the ingredients for you. So some customers are saying that the attachments are kind of hard to clean sometimes to get really in there. So one of the ways is to just let the machine work for you. Just fill the attachment up about halfway with warm water, and then just add 1 tiny little drop of dish soap and pulse it for a few seconds. Then it's going to be much easier to clean. And then you could just put it in the dishwasher after that. Or of course you can let it soak in warm water for a bit and then just wash them by hand. We hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.